A proximity tag can be added to a user so that they can arm and disarm a control panel using the tag, without needing to enter their user code. Enter the master user code. Press menu. Press yes. Use the arrow keys to scroll down to do you want to set up users? Press yes. Use the arrow keys to select the user you want to assign a tag to. Press yes. Keep pressing yes until you see Add Tag to User. If you want to add a new tag, press 1. If you want to import an existing tag already being used on a different Premier Elite system, press 2. Present the tag. The keypad will beep, confirming the tag has been assigned.